Hello, everybody.
Hi, A&P Adventure friends.
Welcome to the very first edition of
Subway Sundays.
We're so happy you're with us today. It's raining in New York, so it's a perfect day to go inside the subways and take a look at some of our subway art.
Yeah.
Just so you know, it's April 2023. It's 12 degrees Celsius today. It's 53 degrees Fahrenheit.
That's right. And I am Patrick.
Oh, right. And I'm Aaron, I think.
And we are A&P Adventures, and we're happy you're with us.
Yeah. Should we get going? We're going to check out some art. So that's basically the gist of this Subway Sunday series. We're going to be showing off the art that is in our subways here in New York City.
Let's all get going. Yeah, let's go.
All right, let's get going down into the subway. So just so you know, we're right now in Chelsea. We're basically at the corner of 23rd and 6th. This is 23rd Street you're seeing with the cars zipping past us. We're on the west side of Manhattan, and we're going to enter here to the 23rd Street station. You can see the F and the M trains are here. We're going to the uptown side first, but on today's journey, we're going to do uptown and downtown sides to show off the art, both sides of the station. We might see the B and the D trains zipping past us as well. They are, well, we probably won't see them, but we might hear them.
We might hear some subway trains heading by. It'll be loud, but we'll pause while they go by.
But the B and the D are the express trains, and then the F and the M are the locals. So let's get going. Yeah. We're using the new Omni system, which we pay with our phones.
So it might look like using our phone to...
All right, so we made it through the turnstile successfully. We paid our $2.75 to ride the subway, and we're again on the uptown side of the F and the M track, which is the orange color line here in Manhattan. And we're going to show off some of the subway art here that's by William Wegman. It's known as stationary figures. We're going to kind of make our way down about halfway, no, 2/3 of the way down the platform, I guess. And then we'll backtrack a little bit to show off all the work. But here's our first piece by William Wegman. Now, the images that we're going to be seeing are of his two dogs, Flo and her brother Topper, and they're Weimaraners. And there are 11 panels all over the station of these lovely dogs. And he's dressed them up, as you can see right here, in kind of, well, he says everyday clothes, but I think this is somewhat fancy.
That's a pretty nice everyday
jacket. We've got an announcement,
subway announcement
above us.
Yeah. I'm also going to just zoom in on coming close so you can see the details. Let's go up on his eyes, just so you can see the detail of these mosaics. I mean, it's pretty extraordinary.
So these are all photographs that he took that have been turned into mosaics all along here. And again, it is part of our MTA Arts and Design program here in New York City that was created in 1985. And it's run by the MTA, which stands for Metropolitan Transportation Authority. And since its creation, the MTA Art and Design has installed art in over 260 stations.
I just want to zoom in on even the zipper. The detail of the zipper mosaic is really cool.
It really is remarkable. All the detail on it. Paisley shirt there and the buttons.
All right.
So they've not just commissioned these mosaics, but they've commissioned art that's kind of all over. You'll see poetry, there's music, graphic art, digital art. Sometimes on these screens that we're going by, you'll see a bit of digital art. Should we go up to the map and show where we're at?
Oh, yeah.
So this is our entire subway map right here, and we are currently at the F and M station at 23rd Street right here on the uptown side, although we are going to go over to the downtown side as well.
Yeah.
But we have a few more of images of Flo and Topper to show on this side before we head to the downtown side.
Yeah.
Lots of folks waiting for the train. Here's our next piece right here. And it's just, again, the detail is just incredible on these mosaics. We've got another announcement above us. It's a weekend here in Manhattan, so what happens is a lot of trains go on different tracks because of construction. So
fun paisley shirt.
It's kind of like polka dotty. You can even see how shirt bunches up by the armpits there.
Yeah.
Let's go over here to the plaque.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
So this is, again, it's called Stationary Figures, but installed here in the on this platform in 2018, and you can see the actual glass mosaic was fabricated by Franz Meyer of Munich, but again, they're based on photographs taken by our incredible artist William Wegman. And so we're going to make our way to the other end of the platform to show off some more of his works. So the idea of creating art in the subway station is not anything new. I know this came about in 2018, but this particular station, the artwork came then. But it really dates back to the beginning of our subway around the turn of the century, 1904. Those original subway stations, there were 28 of them. They had skylights, they had beautifully tiled ceilings, chandeliers, gorgeous ornamentation. And then over the years, the subway started to deteriorate. It wasn't until the 80s when the MTA really kind of decided to start cleaning up and kind of fixing it. Should we head to the downtown?
Yeah, let's go over to the downtown side.
Continue talking about the cleanup of it as we make our way over there. And Keith Haring, the artist Keith Haring, is someone who we have a bit to thank for this cleanup of it. Now, as we exit, you're going to see another one of the dogs who's appropriately dressed for the day. A couple of them are appropriately dressed for this rainy day.
Yeah.
It is, I think it's a rain slicker. I don't know if this is Flo or Topper, by the way.
Yeah.
One of the two Weimaraners.
All right.
There we go. Just beautiful against that blue brick.
Oh, yeah.
It's sort of rare to see that blue brick, too. The difference of the white normal white subway tile we see here. So Keith Haring, what he would do is he would make chalk drawings on empty subway ads, and then he would photograph them, and then he released a book called Art and Design, and that was the idea for the adding art to the subway system. So now we're, for really kind of pumping it back in, I guess in the 80s is what I should say. Again, we're at 23rd and 6th. We're going to cross over 6th Avenue and make our way to the downtown train to see more of Flo and Topper by William Wegman. So again, we're in Chelsea right now. We're on the west side of Manhattan.
You can see some of those really cool cast iron buildings.
This would have been the shopping district back in its heyday. It's still a bit of a shopping district, actually, but not quite the same as the department stores that it once was. Now this area, Chelsea, has quite a few, it's a bit of an art center, quite a few galleries in this area, largely residential. For a while, this was the LGBTQ plus area of Manhattan, still somewhat is. Here we go, down to the downtown side,
right.
out of the rain.
Yeah.
It looks like the F train is coming in 1 minute, so we might even see a train coming into the station. How exciting. We're gonna use our phones to enter into the subway. $2.75. They're phasing out the Metro cards, and you'll use your anything that you can tap for payment. You'll be able to use and to enter the subway.
Yeah.
All right, here we go. All right, folks are getting off the downtown F train, and we'll make our way over to see a few more images of Flo and Topper. These have a beautiful blue background to them. By the way, this train currently is the downtown train, so it's headed to Brooklyn. This particular line would run starts in Jamaica, Queens. It heads west through Queens, and then through Manhattan, then into Brooklyn, and south to Coney Island. Yeah. So it makes quite a journey, this train.
Yeah.
All right, so we're letting those folks pass that we're getting off the train, and here we have Flo and Topper again. We get to see them both together in the middle one there. Not as elegantly dressed at this side of the station as they were on the other.
Shed their fancy clothes.
They did. They said, we're going to go au natural here. So again, the MTA Art and Design has works in over 260 stations. Let's go to the other side and check out more. All right, again, appropriately dressed for the day with a hat as well, a rain slicker and hat. Look at this. Look at the expression in the eyes. Again, this is all mosaic, and it's just the detail in them is truly remarkable.
Yeah.
Now, William Wegman, by the way, has works in the Whitney, the Museum of Modern Art, the Smithsonian. He's also the author of several children's books as well. I mean, it's like he knew it was going to rain for today's tour.
Right?
And we have one more we're going to show off here on the downtown side of the F&M train. Looks like the next F is in 7 minutes. So we got plenty of time to make it before the noisy train comes into the station.
That's right.
And if you're enjoying this tour, we have a whole series of our subway art that we'll be doing. Every Sunday, a new one will pop up.
Yeah.
Here's our last one. Look at those beautiful eyes. And I'm gonna put my pinky up so you can get a sense of the size of these mosaics in here.
Yeah.
Just beautiful detail.
Really cool. I love that shirt, too.
Yeah, I want that shirt.
Really fantastic. Well done, Mr. Wegman.
Yeah. All right. Thank you for joining us at 23rd Street.
Yeah, this is the first of our Subway Sunday series. So we're excited that you have checked out this video on its inaugural
Run.
Yeah.
Yeah. So tune in every Sunday for a new station. If you like us, well then like us.
Yeah.
Hit that like button. And if you want to subscribe, then hit that subscribe button.
Yeah.
And if you want notifications, there's the little bell next to it. Also, maybe put in the chat today which one of William Wegman's dogs was your favorite.
Oh,
was
yeah.
it in the rain slicker, or
Yeah.
was it the blue background? Or
I mean, I would say today, certainly the rain slicker would probably be my favorite, but let us know in the comments.
Yeah,
and
we'd love to hear. And if there's a station you want us to hit, let us know in the comments as well, because we're going to run around and we're going to check out a new one every single Sunday for you.
That's right.
So we'll see you next week.
All right.
Bye-bye.